What is sabich and why is it called that way? Sabich is a very common street food sold today in Israel everywhere. It is served in pita bread and it is a combination of tahini, chopped salad, eggplant, and hard-boiled egg. Originally, it comes from Iraq, where Jewish people used to eat it usually in the morning. And in Arabic, sabah is morning. In addition, the man who brought it to Israel was called Sabich. But the funny thing is that the myth going around in Israel is that the name Sabich of this delicacy comes from the acronym of the letters Samech, Bet, Yod, Chet. Samech representing salat, which is the Hebrew for salad. Bet representing beitza, which is Hebrew for egg. Yod representing either yerek, which is vegetable, or yoter, which is more, and the more refers to the last letter, which is chet, representing chatzil, eggplant. So this is the origin and the myth of the name Sabich.